Hi friends, what's up? This is Vijay tutorial point how to change water drain pipe in the Onida Liliput 7kg semi-automatic washing machine. Now I will show you step by step. First remove these 4 screws. Remove these 4 screws. After removing these 4 screws, you can slide this plate and inside this, you observe this. After opening this clip, you can use it and remove it. That's all pipe. You can press this clip, enlarge and remove it. That's all, and lock it. Now I will remove. After removing that plate and that clip, you can open the screws gently. Both sides are there. Remove the screws and pull it this pipe. In this way, you can pull it this pipe. After pull it, you observe this. This is the pipe one. You observe this. After that, you can remove this pipe angler and press this way. After new pipe brought, I will brought new pipe, this one. Then it is not their angler hanging clip. This one is the top side. This one is the bottom side. And you put on this way. First, and after inserting, add this clip. Hi friends, after fixing this washing machine outlet pipe and put on this clamp, gently tight it. Dependent requirement. This is finished the pipe clamp fitting. After pipe fixing, now I will insert this back cover gently. Insert this. Then fix the screws. One by one. Fix the screws one by one, gently. Now tight it. You tight all the screws as required as gently. Fix one by one as much required, thus much tight. In this way, gently replace your washing machine pipe. Very easy steps. Please follow our video tutorial point. Please share, please like, please comment. This is very useful videos coming this channel. Thank you. Finishing this Onida washing machine pipe fitting. Observe this pipe fitting is successfully completed. This washing machine pipe fitting. Thank you for watching the video.